I'm saying hello again on May the 25th, 2010 with my favorite local expert, Liliana Ausin, who actually is from Gijon, the city that we're located in. Sorry?
Welcome to my home place.
Exactly, this is your hometown. And this is a very special place. What is the name of this location here?
Originally it was Universidad Laboral, Polytechnics University, right? And since 3 years ago, since 2007, it's Laboral City of Culture.
Laboral City of Culture.
Because there are many cultural things going on.
Yes. Very good. It's a beautiful space, and you're telling me this was all constructed in the 1950s.
It is true, yeah. It's in the middle of the 20th century, 1948, 1953, 55. Although it looks much, much older.
Yes, it does.
The thing is that the architect, Moya, he was architecture professor, and he wanted to do here a kind of review of the styles from the old times. So here we are supposed to be in a Corinthian courtyard.
A Corinthian courtyard.
Yes.
And it's also used as a special events exhibition space.
That's right.
As you can see, for example, we have a lovely collection of motor scooters. Yeah, exactly. Very old ones too. Lambretta in India. Talking about this particular model in India. Here's another Lambretta. Now, very interesting vehicles here. I've never seen something like this. What is this here? Cerveta. Yeah. Lambretta. Is that a Spanish machine, you think? Italian? Yeah, because the Italians always love to make motor scooters. And they also made motorbikes, obviously. All sorts of interesting motorbikes. Here's another motor scooter. So this is a sidecar. Look at this here. That's interesting. Interesting vehicle.
This place has multiple use now.
Yeah, exactly.
Exhibitions, then musical concerts. For example, last summer we had operas.
Yes.
Rigoletto, The Verdi, Madame Butterfly, Puccini, modern musicals, West Side Story, for example. In the winter time we have a nice skating ring. Oh, here she comes. This is
there we go. Hello, this is our second expert for this location here. Hi, I'm Suzanne from Canada. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You work here? Are you a student here?
I'm working now, yeah.
You work. You used to be a student here.
I study here only for 1 year, not 1 year. My degree in tourism.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. That's great. Well, we'll move on. And sorry, what was your name?
My name is Miriam. Sorry.
Miriam will tell us about the, what was it called again? The Laboral
City of Culture.
Laboral City of Culture.
Ciudad de la Cultura.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.